Hey, let me show you what to do if your screen is not working on the OnePlus Nord CE5. As you can see, I'm clicking some apps, but nothing is happening on the screen. So I can highly recommend you to perform a soft reset. Don't worry, you are not gonna remove anything from your phone. So what you have to do, on the right side of your phone, you've got buttons, right? And you will have to click and hold simultaneously power key and the volume up button. If the volume adjustment appears on the right side, you will have to repeat and just click buttons at the same time to avoid the volume adjustment. So hold it all the time, and now the screen turns off. You will have to power on back this device and check if it's gonna work. And now we just have to wait for a few seconds. And I'm going to show you how we can actually avoid this issue, because that was only the forced restart, right? But it will still pop up on your device. Over the time, your phone slowed down, you've got a lot of files, so I can quickly show you how we can actually fix this. So you will have to go for App Drawer, go to the phone manager, and first of all, try to optimize your phone by clicking on this button. It will appear after a few moments. And also we can try to boost your system. And also make sure that you have cleaned up your storage. So remove all the files that you don't need anymore.